Now the next rebuttal is on the exemption of entrepreneurs. Right? It is also related to the budget, union budget of India. So here they were saying the exemption should be there. I mean, no taxation. Exemption should be there. No taxation should be there for entrepreneurs. And you people are saying that taxation should be there. No exemption. So can we talk on this point? Don't make understand. Let those make us understand who have not spoken yet.
So I will talk about this.
You want to talk about? Yes.
See, exemption of tax is important because I am from medical field, and if there will be exemption of tax, so I can open my 100 branches all over the country. I will not think about the taxation. Ki I have to give water tax, I have to give the house tax, I have to give electricity tax. I can openly, freely, if there will be exemption of tax. And why people of India are going out of the country for their businesses? Because there is so much taxation in India. Like if we talk about water tax, house tax, GST, IGST, CGST, road tax, toll tax. So the exemption of tax should be there in India.
You are 100% right.
I also want to add something.
Yes, you add.
Sir, just because of this taxation system, the 84 entrepreneurs are having to go other countries. Just because of that, they are taking other countries' nationality. They are not working here. Just because of taxation system. Lots of taxation system we have like SGST, CGST, IGST, road tax, toll tax, water tax, house tax. Sir, our life is going in a taxes. Yes, the day will come, if we go on the road, we have to pay taxes.
First, we need
For
to.
breathing, we have to pay.
For breathing, we have to give taxes.
First, we need to understand the nitty-gritty. We are living in India. We have to understand the structure of the India first. Yeah, tax is the backbone of the India. Tax is a money that people and businesses as such.
We don't have issue to give taxes, but for that taxes, the political leaders, your political leaders, they are just filling their pockets. They are not investing our money to ourselves.
Let us speak first. Tax is a money that people and businesses, as sir said, in terms of entrepreneurship. And after taking the money from the people, government provide you the same money to you. That is called the taxation. So what is the disadvantage of the taxation? That's what I just want to know. Why it should
Sir,
be exempted?
I just said before that, just because this taxation system, lots of taxes we have.
Akram, let me complete. By taking your money to provide to you again. What is the
In
wrong?
return, what we are getting? What we are getting?
What you are
Not
getting?
good hospitals, not good government schools, not good education. In return, we are getting this type of things.
Listen to Riva.
Good morning, good afternoon, everyone. If taxation is completely exempted from the India, so it will help to those people who are earning very low. Like people keep 100% of their income, and also no corporate tax and no GST. It will help business attract more investment in India, and higher spending and saving to those people who are earning very low. And it will help also common people who are very earning low, and they each and every goods.
We are talking about only entrepreneurs. Taxation for entrepreneurs. The businessman. You have to say that there should not be tax for businessmen.
No, sir, for all.
No, not for all. Only for business. Entrepreneurship. No, for entrepreneurs. Because other taxation cannot be exempted. This is possible. Taxation only for businessmen. Why? It will benefit us. Why it will benefit nation? Courses करी for सोचिए.
Sir, it will help for youth who wants to establish their own institute and want to start their own company. It will help them. if there is no tax, it will easily, there is no when you are when there is a tax, they have more risks to establish their companies. So
May I? May I just like as you have given the question in terms of the entrepreneur, so they are not paying the GST. They are taking from the people. They are paying the same GST to the government, right? They are not paying from their pocket. If talk about, first we need to understand the nitty-gritty of the taxes. There are two kind of taxes, direct taxes and indirect taxes. Talk about the indirect taxes, so everybody is paying in terms of the GST. So
She is not talking about GST, she is talking about idea, income tax.
that is the direct income. Now, if you are talking about in terms of the entrepreneurship, if they are earning above the limit, then they are paying right now.
She is saying they should not pay because they
Why? But that's what I just want to ask, that government is taking the money from the industries. It is very necessary. If government will not take, so how he will work? That's what I just want to know.
but if someone want to start their company, how they
So what's the problem if you are already earning what you are giving? You are
not
giving a
already
small
earning.
amount, right? You are giving just a small amount to the government and to benefit to your people, those people who are working in your companies. They are providing the benefits to the people.
But they also create employment, na?
I have a question, sir. Question from everyone. Could you tell me only 5 country names who is developing and which is developing and which is non-tax?
Switzerland,
without
Singapore,
taxation.
UAE.
Without taxation.
developed.
Developing country, because India is developing, it is not developed. You can see Dubai. Dubai is also developed country.
Developed
Tell me.
country.
Of such kind of thing.
integrity, right? See, the point is that Riva mentioned that a youth will be motivated to establish a lot of companies. If once there are so many companies, there will be employments. Joblessness will be no more. So if employees are more, you can take at least 10% tax from every employee. So somehow the government will be able to get more money, and businesses also will be improved, and number of businesses will be also more.
So they are already paying, na? That you are talking about the
So employees should pay, na? Entrepreneur should not pay. That's the point.
Sir.
Because an entrepreneur will be motivated to start many more businesses.
Our country is
Sir,
not a
one thing.
country. It is a huge big. It is a different
Sir.
country.
Sir, one thing,
It can be possible,
sir,
brother.
you are saying if tax will be exempted from the entrepreneurship, so they will create job for youth. Okay, so I am going to tell you something about data that we exempted 16,000 crore rupees to Adani, but Adani didn't create job.
What? He
Yes, sir.
created job.
Adani
He created job. He
Let me
created
tell you.
job.
How much? Adani didn't create job enough for youth. Okay, so you are
He
saying,
created enough
you are
jobs.
saying, respected my opponent, please listen. You are saying salaried people will pay tax, but entrepreneurship will not pay tax. It is right. Because in direct tax, we are paying day by day. We are paying
Excuse me,
tax
Umar.
in everything.
Umar,
Yes.
if Adani is not paying tax, you should know why he is not paying, because he has opened a lot of businesses in India.
Yeah.
And he has divided all the taxations from every
Yes.
part of his business.
Yes.
You should understand that he has opened a lot of businesses in India. That is why he is not paying any kind of tax.
Yes.
to the government. And
But India
and
has,
and
India
one more
has
thing.
huge unemployment, brother.
And one
India
more.
has huge unemployment.
And one more
So,
thing,
what is
one more thing I want to clarify that if government wants money anytime, so government talks to Adani or Ambani and they give money to the government. So that is why they are not giving taxes.
First of all, if tax will be exempted, so budget will be decreased suddenly. Okay. So how
If-
the government will build road infrastructure and will spend on research?
If
How?
if
And
taxation
you are talking about development also. So
If-
how is it possible
if taxation will be
without tax?
exempted,
Yeah.
you should focus on the tourism.
Yes.
You should focus on historical places.
Tourism cannot be possible because there are many crimes in happen. Because you know, investor will go there where is. Always investor will go there. Both those countries are stable. There are rule of law. There are less crimes. There they will go to invest. So there are many crimes. There are inequality. So how can anyone came to invest in our country?
Guys. I'm sorry for my poor graph, right?
It's okay, sir.
I mean, you can understand, right? Adani Group,
Yeah.
okay?
Yes.
In 2009,
I understood, sir. What you want to say.
2026,
Yeah.
graph of the business.
Yes. Yes.
Really, I'm not lying.
Yes, sir. It's
No,
right. It's right.
business in India you
Yeah.
can see,
I saw
right?
it.
And in the ocean as well.
Yes, sir. Yes.
In terms of submarine and all.
Yes.
Right? In Sri Lanka as well.
Okay.
In Bangladesh as well.
Yes, yes.
And in so many. This is the power of
It is
exemption.
It is the colonial, sir.
This is the
it is the
power
colonial.
of
No, it is not
exemption.
the people of India,
He
sir.
got motivation, he
Sir,
started this many
This
business.
is called monopoly. This is called monopoly. This is not welfare. This is not developed, sir.
This is the development.
not developed.
Adani is one of the richest person
Yes,
in India. Do
yes,
you know that?
yes.
Very soon Adani is going to become the richest person
What
of
does
the
it
world.
mean? What does
of
it
the
mean?
world.
What does
What
it
is the
mean,
GDP?
sir?
Tell
What?
me.
GDP.
8 point?
GDP.
8 point?
GDP. Sir, it is not for the people of India. What does it
Mere
mean?
bhai, because of tariff and all, we were already suffering. Then too, we have 8.4 GDP.
Yes.
In quarter 2.
Yes.
Right? If there is no tariff and all, we
Last-
after 1 month, you can see.
Last 2 months.
Because of our tariff.
No, sir.
Yes.
It is correct.
My point is that because of exemption, Adani was motivated to start so many businesses. If we, the common people, have,
create
if
gap.
we, the like CAF is paying taxes,
Yes.
if CAF gets exempted, if the tax of CAF gets exempted, I will think for many businesses,
Sir,
and I will be able to
sir,
employ so many people.
it
So the
creates-
taxation should be exempted.
Sir, it creates inequality and gap of between poor and rich.
No.
Exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. It creates inequality, sir.
And,
Sir, 70%, 70 to 80% property in India are only 1%.
And-
1%, sir. Sir, what is this?
If a person is going to start a business in India, he has to give if he wants to open a if he wants to build a building, he has to give land tax, and if he is opening the business, he has to give corporate tax. So what kind of motivation you are giving to the businessman?
And before some time, Akram Daliganj told, and it is a true data, 84 entrepreneurs have left this country. And they have gone to other country and taken nationality there. You are demotivating entrepreneurs in India. Really?
Demotivating the entrepreneurs of the India. If you are
Yes. Because of taxation.
Sir,
Parents are raising you. Won't you provide any of the things to your parents? So why you are directly blaming to government? Don't you want to give any of the things to the government?
It is irrelevant.
with government.
Why government? Yeah, just like you people have the problem to give the taxation to the government. In this term, I have raised this question: why you people are too much reluctant giving the taxation?
Does any father or mother limit you to give this amount of money?
Yeah, that is
No.
That is
It is up to you.
It is up
And it's your happiness. The more you will give, the more happy they will be. The happier they will be. If you want to pay, then pay to the government. If you don't want to pay, then don't pay.
sir.
If you have patriotism, then pay money for the nation. But you can't limit us that you have to pay 70% or 30% or 18%. Exactly. You are demotivating us.
Who will pay tax like this? Who will pay?
Yeah, that's
Because there is a slang.
One second. By electoral bonds, people pay or not? By choice they pay, na?
Another thing.
By their choice they pay.
They are paying.
Anybody forces to pay?
Party for monopoly.
Anybody?
Monopoly. They are paying electoral bond for monopoly. That's happened.
Sir,
Adani was expanded and because of
good morning, our panelist. My name is Nikhil Pandey. I'm in the favor of not exemption. Sir, not be free. Let start with an example. Like CAF, sir, I started a Well-Talk Institute, and in our country there are many teachers. They started his own institute.
Right.
So if like CAF, sir, will not pay the tax,
Yes.
and like many other teachers will not pay the fees,
tax, right.
pay the tax.
Right.
Sir, there is lot of person they not pay the tax.
Yes, right.
If CAF, sir, and many teachers pay the tax to the government, government will open the own institute for learning English. They are, sir, they are free of cost. Sir, let me complete. Sir, let me complete. Okay, sir, let me complete. CAF, sir, charge 20,000. But when government open his own school, there is free of cost. Sir, what are you saying, sir? What are you saying, sir?
Sir, brother,
Colleges and school.
Listen to him. Shivam.
as you have taken the example of CAF, sir,
Yeah.
if he pays taxes, है ना?
Yeah.
If he will not pay taxes, he will open more institutes in India.
I want to. He will. So I want to say he will charge 20. He will charge 20. 15,000. I mean to say 15. But sir, if government open his own institute, he will provide zero of cost. Sir, zero of cost. Yes, sir. No, sir. I mean.
Atisha brother, the question which you have asked, suppose that whole power is given to you, whatever you feel like opening one institute, and after that, so it would be kind of the threat for the country itself. Yes. Right now, it is kind of the, if you become the powerful, might be possible, yeah. This can also be that, like it is like kind of a rules and regulation which you have to follow. If you unlimit it, so you will have to give the tax. It would be a biggest threat of the country.
Why not to have tax? No, why to have? Why should there be?
Sir, Akram Daliganj was mentioning about the 84 entrepreneurs, they left India. I want to mention some of the Indian entrepreneurs like Ratan Tata, Kiran Mazumdar, and Ambani, Adani, Narayan Murthy. Why are they all being in India? Why they also have the money, they also have the capacity to leave India. They are in India for the welfare of the society, for the welfare of the nation. They pay taxes to the government so that in return they get the better infrastructure. They are using the land of the government. They are using the industries provided by the government. They are using the labor intensive of the government. That is the citizens of India. Why are not they living in India? Why are not they leaving India?
don't be speechless.
They are giving taxes, but they have many businesses. That's also a point.
Entrepreneurs, they favor the government. Why they favor the government? Because they capture the most of the majority of the industries.
Yeah.
That's why they favor the government in order to get return from the government. We know that, sir, and they also give money through electoral bonds. And what about those entrepreneurs? They are not on that level. They are just upcoming. They are just increasing.
Sir.
Means they are on the stage of. Yes, sir.
This graph, you see, na? Now, in 2029, let's imagine Rahul Gandhi becomes Prime Minister. Graph. These will just come down. Why? Because Rahul Gandhi will scrutinize and examine everybody very well. Really, it's a harsh reality.
Yeah, it is a
of
harsh
course.
reality.
I'm not threatening. This is reality. Kasam se this is reality.
If Rahul Gandhi becomes the Prime Minister of India in 2029, he will target first Adani.
Adani.
Then Adani.
In every speech, Rahul Gandhi takes the name of Adani. In parliament, in rally, he takes the name of Adani because he knows that government is running because of Adani. And he himself said.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So thank you for accepting. And which is absolutely good. Which is absolutely good as well. If government can run because of one businessman. Imagine if there are 100 businessmen like Adani in India. Our India can become like America. We salute Adani ji. We salute Ambani ji.
Absolutely not, sir. Absolutely not. Absolutely not, sir.
Why?
Because, sir, how can you say like this, sir? There are many capable people in India. Before Adani, there were many companies like Azim Premji. So just I am accepting Rahul Gandhi's statement. They are saying I am not accepting that Adani is good for our country.
Ajit Pawar, anybody?
Sir, if in our country there will be only one or two, if in our country if there will be only one or two entrepreneurs, then the common citizens, they are just restricted to use the services they are giving. We will not be having the option to switch. We will not be having the option to means which services will be benefited for us. We are just restricted to use and to pay them whatever they charge.
Oh, ठीक है, fine. Anybody?